Welcome. If you want to take care of your battery in Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, at the first you have to go for the settings. Next you have to move for device care, tap on the battery, and then go for the charging. When we are here, we have to turn off fast charging, and it will be really cool if you turn on the protect battery. So what it is the maximum charge level to 85%. So it will extend the lifespan, the same like on the fast charging. So, and you have to tap on the switcher, and after that you have to click to restart now, and after that the charging limit will be set up to the 85%. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.